Welcome to another Texas Bank tip. Today, we're talking about eStatements and how to enroll. To enroll in eStatements, simply log in to your online banking on a desktop computer or through your mobile app and click the account you would like to enroll. From there, click the button that says eStatements towards the top right. Next, you'll want to sign up and enroll each account in eStatements. Make sure you check your boxes and save settings. From there, you're going to read and agree to the consent form. Next, go over and make sure that you've enrolled each account you'd like to, and make sure you hit Save Settings. Thanks for watching another Texas Bank tip.